Pini Tangtangni Pakre Si Arni Anarlo Por Pakre Hini Pendifu Birla Hotel Hempi along Karbi Cultural Society Mate Karbi Jutang Asong Lapenjak Ve Asong Atum Chipatir Pipon Si Miss Keva F 2023 Audition Padopon Lo Labang So Audition along round Hini Padopon Ke Cheng Si Abang Ke Introduction Round Lapen Ki Jut Si Abang Ke Talent Pen Questioning Round Padopon Lo Lapen Labang So Audition along Kangkrung Kang Sayatum Amen Labang Ke Mirjeng Kro Charni Bepi Pudang Rong Pipi Julie Bepi Robert Tiso Lapen Kaprek Atum Tanang Chirap Nang Chito Dunsi Audition Ajay Meg Me Senten Bachun Pondo Labang So Miss Keva F along chief sponsor Lake Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang EM Sarlun Singh Teron event sponsor Nixik Family YouTube channel co-sponsor Glass Corner Lapen Laso Miss Keva F 2023 final Chapati Ponti Lake Non Kevang Jilang Karbi Youth Festival 49 edition Mate Karbi Risto Nim Sorong Ajay Plik Kebra Sirkep Angde Kechok along Tang Achikloni Pai Krener Kep Arni Samson Singh Ingti Achatai along Padopon Lapen Miss Keva FK High Abang Pima Te Winner Apan Ke Sunsil Miss Mega Northeast 2023 finalist along ta Chepa Ogdun Long Popusi Chepa Tir Pipon Atumpen Thanpon Difu Pen Birtanang Pali reporter Surajit Sethi Karbi Anglong Time.
Good afternoon everyone, myself contestant number 7, my name is Hanri Kropi. I am 19 years of age, currently pursuing TDC first year in Difu Government College. My hobby is dancing, traveling and cooking.
Good afternoon everyone and respected judges. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Jumili Rongharpi and I am 18 years old. My contestant number is 4. I'm currently pursuing my 11th standard in Don Bosco Junior College, that is in 7 Mile. I'm from the food itself, that is from Rong Chikla. Thank you, that is all about me.
Good evening to respected judges and each and everyone present here. My name is Aklim Disopi and I'm contestant number 3. I am from West Karbi Anglong, Hamren, Umpu. I am 19 years old, currently pursuing my bachelor degree from the Government College. My aim in life is to become a lawyer, and talking about my hobby, I love listening music, watching K-drama, and I love...
Kardam, hello, and a very warm good afternoon to one and all present here, respected judges and to all my fellow contestants. I am contestant number 15. My name is Clarice Rampipi. I am 19 years of age, currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts from Don Bosco Junior College, Manjang. Talking about my hobbies, I love listening to music, traveling, meeting new people, and dancing too. At last but not the least, I would like to say that have faith in yourself, believe in your passion. If you believe in your passion, success will definitely follow you back. Thank you.
Firstly, thank you for giving me this good opportunity to introduce myself. I'm your contestant number 5, Anjona Intigatharpi. I'm 19 years young and I'm from the beautiful place of Koilamati, East Karbi Anglong. And talking about my hobbies, I love cooking, traveling, acting, and making friends too. And my dream job is to become a...
Here, my name is Lumina Borongpi and I'm from Buthalangso, West Karbi Anglong. I'm 22 years young and currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in Difu Government College. I am doing my part-time job as an event planner in this event. Moreover, I like dancing, traveling, acting, and I love playing football too. My aim in life is to become a teacher. I chose this profession because I believe that in this generation, education is very important. Education has the power to change the world. It is the light for the youths. So I want to contribute as a teacher for a better society and for a better surroundings. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon to everyone present here, respected judges and my fellow contestants. I'm Kelly Hasno, contestant number 11, currently pursuing my degree in arts in Don Bosco Junior College. My hobbies are dancing, singing, And in my leisure time, I love to do cooking too. And I love playing basketball. My inspiration is to become a brand ambassador. Thank you, that's all.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Karbi and I'm contestant number 13. I'm 20 years old and I'm pursuing my degrees in the government college. And about my hobbies, I love boxing and riding bikes and also playing basketball too. And about my talent, I can introduce myself in different kinds of language like Korean, Thai, Japanese, and also Chinese also. Can I do that if you want? Japanese. Konnichiwa. Minna watashi no anate wa. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I was late, a little bit nervous. Konnichiwa. Minna watashi no namae wa Carolyn desu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Korean. 안녕하세요. 내 이름은 키른입니다. 감사합니다. And Chinese, 大家好，我是 Carolyn. 谢谢. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Pardon, my name is Karbi and I'm currently pursuing my graduation in English literature from Nagaland. I love singing and dancing too. I'm very ambitious and optimistic, compassionate person. Whatever I do, I give my 100%, and I'm a very hardworking person. That's something I really,
Carbon, Nilimen Sami Jermika Robipi, Niligevang Lake, Jabra Langso, Nililoke Charlie Adimamen Lake, Stan Karbiangon College, second year Angden Charlie Bo, Nilikaki Claim Ning Hang Asai, Lake Mir Karche, La Pendun Karju, Nilikai Long Kimang Lake Inud Mesen Dun Sepi, Pachingelam Telapansi Anton Hilo Kurang to. You belong, you will find that there is a purpose, it's been there within you all along. It's like a symphony, just keep listening.
Good evening, everyone, respected judges, and to you all, my dear friends. Thank you for this wonderful moment and opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Jumir Bepi. I'm from Dongkamukam, West Karbi Anglong. Currently, I'm pursuing my BA 4th semester from St. Mary's College, Long, Laimukra. My hobbies would be, I like to do both cooking and gardening as well. I would consider myself the talent. It would be singing. I'm not that expert yet, but I would like to sing a song.
I am from Jifu, here itself, and my hobbies are I love singing, dancing, and also volunteering for the NGOs as well. So if I can sing a little song. Every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on, far across the distance and spaces between us. You have come.
Very good afternoon to respected judges and everyone present here. My name is Ruptalam Bepi, contestant number 6. I am 20 years young and I am from Dokmuka. My hobbies is gardening and my aim in life is to be a teacher. Thank you.
I am from Sidunism number. Currently, I pursue my SS first year in DBGC College, Manja. I am 18 years young, and my hobbies are weaving, reading books, and cooking too. and my aim in life is to become a successful nurse. That's all about me.
Hello beautiful people and dear judges, my name is Awang Sutrampi. I'm from the Lamara Bachikram and I'm 17 years old and my standard is 9. And my hobbies is making reels and singing. And my aim in life is to become a supermodeler. Thank you everyone. Have a great 17.
Pardon. Pini nilitung ada KCS present collaboration with Jagwe Asong NGO. Pini itung audition pipon lo, an pen audition da exam jin pen chun pon lo. Lasi non kewangji Miss KYF laki 18 ni sidoi an pen non la Karbi Youth Festival hud. Lasi laso hud kadu kawe itung Karbi arat itung Karbi cultural fun ke chinghon itung sidami lasorni wangik no an pen la festival itung ali racham lan so se kipadoi fan itung chitodun na lasi ilitung ke culture ke kenang sol lasi ilitung fashion hin pen sidami ilitung bang hong han sidami itung pali ponangji athemani ilitung along ke cultural ke plango tada ke ritual lasi ilitung mithangong si cepaklang pon pil pute bang angtan nang chini lo lasi KCS sung ke klem pon mi ulo laso amis ke wife ki bi pon ke lada ke ilitung pindeng sung pot sistemi cepati dunong lo anpen cepaklang dunong lo anpen bang kaprek adimen sistemi nang chini dun fan latun sistemi our sailong lo lasi non ke wangji jubilee hut sistemi lanso se ali racham pipon pupusi chisik pon bomlo lasi ilitum lada ke itung kachuru nangi ke ilitung CM sa lake Dr. Tuliram Ronghang alang ni ke claim ke bor ipen pini lada festival ning sipet ilitung kosonovo dhorom chipupe khai chipupe pin pen ning sipet pen ke claim pon theke alang li Dr. Tuliram Ronghang ke bor ipen laben itung non KCS President Sir Chandro Singh Kro alang litung bahani ke bori pensi itung non festival ali racham pen do ponong lo aprang ke ilitung lason theklong le kache bahak kache thak si thek ponong lasi hola suhud bang ke ining ta oi memi hola suhud ke do bom ke anutin da chini lo ladak ali racham thang da we festival sitami hini ke thom ason chi thek ponong mon sitami ilitung Tuliram rong hangsar alang CM ke man pen alang li ke bor ipen pini itung festival sitami kaduk kawe Karbi yakai itung dhrom chipu pepin pen se itung non bangke talon pon lo party chipu pepin pen itung ining arong meme non ke bang khai jun sitami nangidun ye phan chihung lo la ke alang itung bahai ni itung Dr. Tuliram hangsa lapen itung KCS President Sir Chandro Singh Kro ke boria joini anpen latunga joini si ni tungta Miss KYF ke kibidun long lo anpen kibi pon lo
Ini lah audition